Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the Easter egg locations on the Dress to Impress Easter egg hunt, the 2025 one. So I'm going to start over here and we're going to go here. As you can see, there is a golden egg next to this flower vase. And that's first of 30. Then if we go here, there is an egg behind these jeans. You kind of have to rotate your camera here and get that. Then there's one on top of this plant right here. Then there's one underneath this table here. One above the shoe rack. One next to this plant and underneath this painting. We have one underneath Lana's desk. And we have one here. That is all for the ones that they put in the dressing rooms. So the others are in the lobby, so I'm just going to go there. So now that I'm in the lobby, there's one at the end of the obby. Let me just make this faster. There's one in the waters here in the obby. There is one on this plant next to the obby here. There is one behind the podium here. There is one behind the leaderboard here. Then here there's a lot, so keep an eye out. So once you're here, go right. There is a purple egg here. Go left, there is another purple egg here. And when you go straight, there is a blue egg on the fountain. If you turn right to this area here, to this gazebo area, there's one underneath the chair, and there's one next to the pillar right here. There's also a blue egg here, and there is a green egg at the end here. There's also a blue egg once you've turned from that egg, as you can see here. Where else would the eggs be? I'm trying to remember where everything is, so sorry if I don't remember every single thing. So here, as you can see, there is an egg. It used to be inside of the lamp, but I guess it was hard for people to reach it, so now it's outside of this lamp. And it's in the middle here. Then if you look to the left, there is a purple egg next to this tall tree in this area. If you go here, there is a green egg. And then if you go here, there is another pink egg to the left. If I can just click on it. Why is it so hard to click on eggs? Sorry. And then if you go here to the right, you'll find another egg. It's a green egg, so. Then if you go here, you'll find a golden egg. Then if you go here, you'll find a pink egg. Now we need two more. Hopefully I remember where the last two is. Oh, there's a blue egg here near the tree. So there, and lastly, I think it's the golden egg here. It is next to this lamp. And if you look this way, you look at everything. So here I'll show you where the last golden egg is. Sorry. You're just going to click on it. And that is it. You've unlocked the bunny pose. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!